A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The curatorium of the Michael Rua post-novitiate in Cordoba was held on Monday, 13 May, in the presence of Father Horacio Barberi, Superior of the Province of Northern Argentina, ARN, Father Nelson Moreno, Superior of the Province of Chile, Father Mario Villalba, Superior of the Province of Paraguay, Father Francisco Lezema, Superior of the Province of Uruguay, and Father Osvaldo Bracia, Vice Provincial of the Province of Southern Argentina. During the day, the superiors shared the challenges with the formation team and the post-novices that the post-novitiate Salesian must face for these countries of the South Cone region. In this meeting, as is customary, the community project for this year, the different apostolates that accompany each other and the study center that the post-novices follow were presented. The Ministry of Justice and Human Rights, represented by Dr. Eduardo Melchor Arana Sa, a former student of the 1982 class of the Salesian Don Bosco School in Callao, has granted special recognition to the Salesian Congregation of Peru for its valuable work in the educational field and the formation of children, adolescents and young people. Present in the ministerial headquarters were accompaniers and directors of the Don Bosco School in Callao, the San Francisco de Sales and Maria Auxiliadora schools. Father Jose Valdivia, representing Father Fernando Rodriguez, promoter of the Salesian Don Bosco and San Francisco schools, expressed his gratitude for this gesture of closeness and commitment on the part of the minister, to whom he gave, as a sign of affection, a small statue of Mary Help of Christians. On 20th May, Bishop Gaston Ruvezi, SDP Bishop of Sakanya Kipushi, presided over the opening mass of the 22nd Provincial Chapter of the Salesian Province of Central Africa, AFC. Some provincial superiors of other religious institutes, as well as the Salesian chapter members and many diocesan priests, concelebrated the solemn mass, testifying to their support and communion of heart and spirit with all the Salesians gathered to experience this significant moment for the AFC province. All the other branches of the Salesian family were also well represented. Father Guillermo Basanas, Superior of the AFC province, commented on the day's readings, inviting chapter members to unity. The work of the World Salesian Family Advisory Council continues, which sees the major superiors and leaders of the group that make up the Salesian family gathered at the mother house of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Baldoco, Turin, to reflect on the theme, God's Dream about the Salesian family in our time. On 22nd May, after the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major, and the homily by Father Stefano Martoglio, Vicar of the Rector Major, a photo was taken in the courtyard at Baldoco. In the afternoon, the participants visited the Consolata shrine led by Father Pierluigi Cameroni, postulator general for the causes of saints of the Salesian family. In response to the escalating mental health challenges faced by young people today, Camp Savio in Bellflower and Camp Salesian in Los Angeles recently collaborated to train 50 summer camp youth leaders on peer-to-peer trauma management. This initiative, held in May 2024, comes at a critical time as the lingering effects of the COVID-19 pandemic continue to impact youth mental health significantly. A survey by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in August 2020 revealed that 25.5% of respondents aged 18 to 24 had seriously considered suicide in the past 30 days, underscoring the urgent need for effective mental health support mechanisms. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.